In front of me is Motorola S50 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can delete the password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to find Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Password, Passkeys and Data Services. Tap on Google Password Manager and select a password to delete by clicking on it. Then enter your screen lock, use the delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!